Hi, and welcome to RTC. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to switch your PC to safe mode. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more tips and easy tutorials. So let's start. Now press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the run command. Simply type msconfig and press OK. A system configuration will pop up, then navigate to the Boot tab. Then click Safe Boot on the Boot option. Click Apply and hit OK. Click Restart to take effects. Now sign into your account. Congratulations, your PC is now in safe mode. Now, to switch it back to normal, simply do the same method. Click Windows+I on your keyboard to open run command, then type msconfig and hit OK. Then, click Boot and uncheck Safe Boot on the Boot option. Then click Apply and hit OK. Again, be sure to click Restart to take effect. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.